everybody, welcome back to our Learn Scratch channel, and today we are going to be making another project. Did I scare ya? Yeah, because this is the Halloween season, but we're not making a Halloween themed project anyways, because you have to guess what project I'm making next in the comments. So yeah, basically I'm going to be making all your ideas in the comments. Please give me ideas, because I have no idea what video I should make next, but I made this anyways because I had no idea what to make. So we're just going to be looking at some project, and then we are going to be remaking that project, and yeah, basically that's what we're going to do. So we're going to be going to my SB-star, yay. Okay, so SB-star, that's my other account. So there we go. We're going to be just trying to remake a project. So I'm just gonna find something. Oh my God, that was so strange, but I'm still trying to find a project and I don't know what to remake. We're gonna watch this. Let's just watch it. Oh, it's so cute. It's like so cute. I wonder how I made it. How did I get the background? We're gonna be looking at some of my first projects in Scratch. Literally. Yup. We're gonna be watching something. Okay, how about Bear? Hello. That's literally all he does. Maybe we should change something of this bear. Let's remix this project and make something else out of this thing. Okay, so once we've made this bear thing, he says hello, and then he says hello, and I'm gonna go crazy. Hello, I am going to go crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna do that real quick. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. And then he goes, ooh, 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 ooh. Let me do something. Ooh, 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 I'm going crazy. Oh yeah, I'm a bear and I'm going crazy. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm going crazy. Yeah. Basically, you can't hear it, but that's what the bear is gonna do. Is gonna go crazy. Crazy. I can't hear this. I can't hear it. Okay, so now we are going to be putting the sound effect in. So, craze. Now we're gonna start sound craze, and then we're gonna make a costume. So first we're gonna go to this position, bear A, and then we're going to be doing something like point in direction 90 because we're going to be spitting this bear like crazy. So then when he stands, then he's like, oh yeah, he's so weird, right? He's just weird. I don't know why. And then we're gonna switch to this costume, Bear B, and then forever, turn direction 15 degrees, point in direction 90, and if on the edge bounce. This is so weird. It's gonna be so weird. So he says, hello. I'm going to go crazy in 3, 2, 1. And just get, wait a second. No, point in direction 90. No, he's just supposed to turn, go to random position. There, that's a bear. Yeah. Okay, a crazy bear project. So I'm just gonna name this the Crazy Bear. So I'm just gonna name it, and yeah. So now I'm gonna share the project. I don't know, it's a crazy bear, and then yeah, it's so crazy, Oh yeah, it's a crazy bear. So yeah, I'm just gonna show sound warning. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to go crazy in 3, 2, 1. Yes. They are going crazy. Yeah, he's going crazy. Yeah, he's going crazy. He's going crazy, all right. He's going crazy. Yeah, look at his mouth. It looks like he has a beard, but he doesn't. Oh my god, I just don't know why I did that project, but that was so weird. Oh, look, someone loved this. Loved and favorited this. Remember this? Type Me Anything project. Yes, it's the Type Me Anything project. And I look so cute. Look at me. I look so cute with that big bow. Oh my god. I should probably add that to the Cute Base project. And see it. Cute Base project. Oh my god, that's the thumbnail for that video. Literally, it's not. This is the latest video. I mean, like now in this day, or is it? What? No, is it? Oh my god. I haven't made any other videos yet, but I have to because I get more subscribers when I do that. So make sure to subscribe. So basically, this is a bear project. It's weird, but okay. Yeah, and then we're gonna just watch the Scratch Cat and Bear project because why not? So he just catches the ball. That's literally what he does. But okay, that he can do that, can't he? Look at that little 3. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't know, I just did it. Oh my gosh. So yeah, definitely that's a good project. I love it. Yeah. I had no idea what to make, so I just did it. I mean, yeah, I did it. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment. And yeah, commenting is another option today. You comment on what I should make next, because I have no idea. No one's commenting what I should make next. Seriously, just do it, okay? I need ideas. I have no idea. I'm out of ideas. I need help. I need help. Yeah. Wait, is it lunchtime already? Oh my god. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye, 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 and oh, what was that sound? Okay, how about we do the thing like last time to end the video? Okay, I'm gonna end, and now this time it's set to 5 seconds. I'm going to end the video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah, I'm ending it. Bye.